Well, hello. Welcome to Omer's Garage. Today we're going to be putting projector puddle lights on my 2016 Porsche Macan Turbo. Now, if you've been following my channel, I've pretty much done this on all of my cars. It probably started with my Porsche 911. I have my Tesla Model X that also has puddle lights. So it's just something that's, I find cool. It's pretty inexpensive. These are probably like 30 bucks and they're pretty easy to install. So we're gonna be doing that today. All right, so the puddle lights are located right underneath the door here. And we're gonna go ahead and just pull them out. They're easy peasy. Now we're going to make sure that the left and the right, see if they're any different. So this is what they look like. So to me, they are a little different. Actually, they do say right and left, so we'll use the R one here. So we're going to pinch and pull and just plug and play. So you can see the Porsche logo. Now we're going to put this, the bottom goes in first and it swivels up and snaps in. And there you have it, nighttime. All right, so that's gonna be it for today. Something very simple. Like I said, I've done it on multiple cars. I'll put a link in the description of where you can find them, where I got them from. And if you want to do this project, it's a simple project, pretty inexpensive. To me, it's a personal thing. I like having those logos there. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment. If you did this and it worked out for you, just leave a comment, let us know. And with that, I'll see you at the next video. Y'all take care and stay safe.